Hello students and welcome to class. We are in comedy class today and we have a presenter whose name is Ryan Comedy. Now Ryan, you have been presenting here before and sometimes you do a great job and other days, well, you can tell that you didn't quite drink all of your kale smoothie those days. So let's see what you're up to today. Now let's do a refresher. Remember, comedy class, the goal is to make fun of that vegan teacher but without being mean. Mention animals and vegan foods. You got it? Good. Now remember also that many of us here in class are suffering from dystopia, which is the anguish of being vegan in a non-vegan world. So you have to be kind to those who are defending animals. You have to make us laugh, because basically we spend a lot of the time crying because it's really, really sad in this world, knowing how many chickens, pigs, and cows are being murdered for no reason just because of people's taste buds when there are so many other things to eat. So today we're looking forward to your presentation. Now I have some cards already pre-made, like this one, like this is a good presentation. So I'm looking forward to holding that one up. But I also have some other ones just in case. One is called, it says, if you're not funny, you fail. So just remember that, you better be funny. And I also have some others here. You're gonna have a report card at the end. It's either going to be that you passed ethics class or you failed ethics class. And of course here we have ethics class and comedy class all mixed up together. So are you guys ready? All right, let's have a look at this.
Hi kids, hi, good morning. Hope your morning was good. Sorry I'm crying. I just found out the dairy-free pizza I married last summer underground illegally in Taiwan cheated on me with the Haagen-Dazs ice cream bar.
What? What just happened? Okay, hold it. Let's listen to that again. That is so bizarre.
Kids, hi, good morning.
Okay, so I guess these are the kids in the class. All right, and they're looking pretty schmernerd, sort of like that in-between emotion, just kind of like stunned.
I hope your morning was good. Sorry I'm crying.
Okay, so this is the vegan teacher and she's crying.
Found out the dairy-free pizza
because the dairy-free pizza
I married last summer
that she married. So I married a dairy-free pizza? Okay.
We're underground illegally in Taiwan.
Underground illegally in Taiwan? Okay.
Cheated on me with the...
So the pizza that I married cheated with a
Haagen-Dazs ice cream bar.
Ice cream bar.
How did...
Okay, but was it a vegan Haagen-Dazs ice cream bar? Or was it a non-vegan Haagen-Dazs? Because, you know, they're both of them. So I'm not, you know, you got to specify, okay? You got to specify next time. So just work on that for a little bit for next time.
Did it get in my freezer?
How did it get in my freezer? So you're saying that I married an it, okay?
Do I eat cow pus?
Okay, so that vegan teacher is asking her students, do I eat cow pus?
Not the last time I
Not the last time I checked.
So we're going to start today's class off with a song.
Okay, a song. A song is good. I don't know. I didn't really get the first part, Ryan. Not really sure that it's really that funny. But, you know, hey, I'm 57 years old, so it might have gone right over my head. I don't know. Let's keep listening.
Today's lesson is on
climate change. Yes, that part I like. Okay. So far, this is a good presentation. We're going to learn about climate change, everyone. It's so important. And you're going to do it with some comedy? Looking forward to this. Yes. Good. Because climate change is terrible, and you know the eco footprint of animal agriculture is awful. We need to all stop eating meat, dairy, and eggs in order to save this planet. Have you seen the video called Seaspiracy yet? That is so important to watch it. It's on Netflix, Seaspiracy and Cowspiracy, to learn about why we must stop eating all these animals and also stop eating fish. I know it sounds crazy to stop eating fish, but it really is important and it's all tied in. So watch Seaspiracy, okay? That's part of the homework.
climate change. Let's be
Okay, what's going on? You're singing. That part's good.
vegan. Let's be vegan.
Okay. What? So we don't die?
We don't die in the pits of hell.
Yes. This is a good message. It's a little bit harsh. You know, you had a little bit of a melody going. Let's go back though and look at what's going on here. So you're going to start with a song.
Today's lesson is on climate change. Let's be...
Oh no, but do you know what you're holding? Are those crackers vegan? Uh-oh. No non-vegan products in the classroom. You know that that's an immediate fail. You better check and make sure that that's vegan. But the last time I looked, those were not vegan. All crackers must contain no milk, no meat, and no eggs, Ryan. That's not cool.
Be vegan.
Let's be vegan.
So we don't die in the pits of hell.
So we don't die in the pits of hell. I don't know. It's a good message. That part's good.
The little chicken asks.
Okay, the little chicken. What chicken? Little chicken asks.
Where's my mommy?
Okay, a chicken is asking, where's my mommy? Okay.
She's a nugget.
She's a nugget. Why are you smiling during this part? I mean, maybe you think your own joke's funny, but there's nothing funny, Ryan, about talking about a little chick whose mom is a nugget.
She's a nugget now.
See? Look at this face. That's exactly how I feel. There's nothing funny about that.
Oh, she's a chicken.
She's a chicken nugget now. No, there's nothing funny about this. Oh my God. Okay, you were supposed to make fun of that vegan teacher, but without being mean. So I don't know how this fits in. Like, what is the point of it? Let's just keep going.
Good nugget. Do you want some sweet and sour?
Do you want some sweet and
On
sour
the side of your murder.
on the side of
Chicken
your
nugget.
murdered chicken? I don't know where you're going with this, Ryan. I don't know if you're trying to say that this is a good teacher or I don't get it. But yeah, meat is murder. That part is right. You got that right. But I'm not sure that's funny. What about the rest of you? What do you guys think? Sniper Wolf, do you think it's funny? Yeah, even you don't think it's funny, and you love chicken. Sit down. Stop trying to talk to Gordon. Gordon, sit down. Gordon Ramsay and Sniper Wolf, they're the worst students. Darman, what do you think? You don't like it either, eh? What? Oh, you're so soft-spoken. Darman. What? You're almost vegan? This is great. Good news. Okay, let's listen to the rest of Ryan's presentation, okay?
Yeah, come on guys, sing it with me. She's a nugget.
No, wait, I can't sing that with you. That it's not funny. And that's the end of it already. We're at 41 seconds and there's 56 seconds left.
She's a nugget now. She's a nugget.
No.
She's a nugget. Oh,
Also,
this is not my ukulele.
okay, yes, it's not the ukulele.
Ex-dairy-free pizza husband.
My ex-dairy-free pizza husband
Got it in the divorce.
got it in the divorce. It's really stretching it, Ryan. It's really stretching it. I'm not sure. I don't know. So far, I'll just have to say, honestly, it's not a good presentation. I'm sorry. I know. I don't want to hurt your feelings, but you got to try again because really you're not getting it. I mean, what do you guys think, boys and girls? What do you think? Is it a pass? Because he is talking about the environment, okay? And he's singing. That part's good, right? Right? What do you think? Yeah, or is it a fail? I don't know, guys. You know what? I think we're just gonna have to leave this. I need some time to think about it. I think I'm gonna call your mom, Ryan, and I'm gonna see what's going on because I'm not sure if you've been taking your meds this week. I'm not sure if something is going on at home that is making your humor it's not really funny. But anyway, just look. Go home, take the rest of the day off, okay, Ryan? Listen, just take the rest of the look. Clearly, you are losing it. Take the rest of the day off. Go and actually buy yourself some vegan Haagen-Dazs ice cream, okay? Just go into the shelf and look for it. There are some that are vegan. I definitely promote that product. And also, you can make yourself some hot chocolate using some soy milk. That's okay too. And if you want, you can call for vegan pizza, okay? Look, I'll even pay for it. All right? Just send me the bill for all of that. Okay, because I think you're really basically a good kid. You just lost a little bit here. All right? So look, everybody else, make sure that you do a great presentation for next class. I can't wait to see the rest of another presentation of yours, Ryan, coming up soon. But right for now, just rest. The rest of you, don't forget to look down below. You see the subscribe button? Press the subscribe button. Yeah, you got it? Press the subscribe button, press the notification bell, and help us get the animals out of hell. Ryan, I'll see you in the next video. Okay? Bye for now, buddy. Oh, don't forget, coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Click on those. You can watch another one of Ryan's presentations if you want. Just go back in the archives. And you can also see things from Darman. And you can also see presentations I've done about Darman and about you. Yes, Gordon Ramsay. Just shut up. No, I don't want to. And yes, SS, Sniper Wolf, these are like, they're the worst students in the class. But Darman, at least we have some hope for him, right? And Chris? Call me Chris? Yes, I know you're wearing vegan shoes. Yeah, that's great. But you're not vegan. So why is Vessi supporting you? Doesn't make any sense. I don't understand why Vessi is literally sending one of my students free shoes. Doesn't make sense. What size are you? What? Your feet are ginormous. Size 10? Okay, no. I was going to say give me your shoes. But, I'm 6.5, 7, so more like 7 these days. All right, anyway. Okay, guys, just everybody go out for recess. Ryan, you can have a nap at the back of the class, or you can go home, ask your mom to pick you up, okay? We'll see everybody in the next class. Bye for now. Do, 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 do.